Welcome to CAD Station. Today we are going to make this experiment 6 you have on your workbook. You can read the description from here. Here is a detailed description. You can follow this one by one. Basically, we are going to use these lifted features that is present in feature tab. So let's start. First of all, new part. Okay, I have selected the millimeters. By default my SolidWorks is working on millimeters. You can select inches or centimeters. In the description here you have the centimeters, so you can use centimeters here. Okay, let me make on centimeter too. Okay, first of all select top plane, sketch from here center rectangle, or you can select from here center rectangle. From the origin, make a center rectangle, dimension 5 mm. Oh, okay, 5 centimeter. We are working on centimeters, that's why 5 by 5, that's a square. Now we have to make a plane at a height of 10. To make a reference plane, you have to select you have to exit from the current sketch. You can click over it, or you can simply double click over the region. Control 7, that's isometric view. Now go to features tab, this reference geometry and a plane. When you are going to generate a reference plane, you have to select some reference. That's the name of the command. So we have to select, we are working on the top, so select this top plane, it will appear here. Now on this select 10 centimeters and okay. Now your plane has generated. Now click on this plane, sketch and control 8. Now you have to simply take the point from here, click on the point and on the origin click and then escape. Now you have done with the sketch. Now simply go to features and here you can see here is lifted boss, here is lifted boss base, but it's not working right now. Why? Because my sketch 2 is because I am working on this sketch 2. If I want to use this lifted boss base, then I have to exit from this sketch. Simply double click over the drawing area or click on this. Now you can see lifted boss base appears. Click on it. Now you can see here are the profiles. I can select 2 profiles over this box, and here is the guide curve. If I want to give the guide curve, we will work on it later, but at that moment just select this square and the point. Basically lifted boss base do whatever your sketch is, it will extrude it up to a point or up to a second sketch. If I made if I don't put a dot over it, I can make another drawing and I will extrude it this square up to that. I'm going to show you in the next tutorial. Hope you will watch that too. Okay, now my this lifted boss base is done. Right click and hide. Okay, now next is again go to top plane, sketch, control 8. Now again center rectangle from here, and this time it is of 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. And now at that time we have to exit from this sketch, reference geometry, plane. Again select our top plane and this time 5 centimeters and okay. Same working, click on this plane, sketch, or from here sketch. Okay, control 8 to take the isometry, to take the normal point, and again on the origin. Now exit from this sketch. Now this time we don't have to extrude this square, we have to cut the internal part. So here is a lifted cut. For the profiles, you have to select this one, and let me find where is the okay. If you can't see the point that you here is, but you can simply come and select it, and okay. Now how you can see here, here's the hole, or hide this and control 7. Here's the explode option, section view, not the explode, section view, and okay, you can see, or it will be clear. Let me appearance, okay. And now again select this cut, appearance, and okay. Now explode, again I am saying explode section view. Explode, we use the explode option in the assembly, not in the part. So you can see, you can extend it here or here or here, any point you want. Okay, you can see it's going to be cut. So here we have learned how to use lifted boss base and lifted cut. Hopefully you will learn these two commands. If you have any problem while creating this lifted boss base or lifted cut, then you can ask me on comment section, and subscribe CAD Station to get the notification of new tutorials. And don't forget to like and share to your friends. Thank you. That's all for today.